Hello everyone, welcome in our YouTube channel. In this video we're gonna talk about the Cyclone Candice that will influence the weather today and tomorrow over our region. So before starting the video, if you still aren't subscribed this channel, so subscribe now so you don't miss any updates on this system. Thanks. Now system is still moving towards Mauritius in Reunion and eventually it has influenced the weather over Mauritius. Now for the next 48 hours, Mauritius people are strictly advised to follow all precautions as very heavy rains, urban flooding, heavy wind gusts and much more expected due to the impacts of this system. But it is not an cyclone, it's still a system Invest 92s that will be passed away from Mauritius, but due to its impacts Mauritius and Reunion may have severe rainfall and critical weather conditions for 2 days. Now let's take a look on latest updates by meteorologists. Latest observations indicate that the marked low pressure did not develop further. On the other hand, it changed its trajectory towards the west-southwest, passing at about 40 kilometers to the north of Mauritius at around 0330 hours. The associated cloud system, which was located to the northwest of the center of the low pressure, are moving away from our region. A recent Mauritius observation shows a dynamic drop in pressure by 7 hectopascals in the last 24 hours. While a ship observation to southwest shows southerly winds at 52 kilometers per hour, 28 knots. At 0400 hours, the low pressure was located near 19.9 degrees south and 57.3 degrees east. It is now moving in a general west-southwesterly direction at a mean speed of 13 km per hour. Some numerical models are still indicating that there is a low probability that the system may still move towards the south and the associated clouds system may approach Mauritius later during the day. However, the situation is being closely monitored. Analysis shows that 92S is in a marginally favorable environment for further development with weak equatorward outflow aloft, low to moderate 15 to 20 knots wind shear, and warm 28 to 29 degrees C sea surface temperatures. Model guidance shows that the system is currently passing Mauritius and will continue to become more organized over the next 24 hours. Surface winds are around 45 to 55 km per hour, 25 to 30 knots. A cyclone warning class 2 is in force in Mauritius. The public in Mauritius is advised to complete all precautions. The weather will be mainly cloudy with intermittent rain to the east, the south and the high grounds. The rains may be locally moderate at times in the afternoon. Wind northeasterly 10 to 15 km per hour. Sea very rough beyond the reefs with swells. Public is advised not to ventures at sea. Thanks for watching this video. Take care, goodbye.